And then I feel scratchy. I'm going to squeeze just a little bit in. Just that much. You see that how much it is? Just little, go a long way. And it's go automatically going to seals on the gap. And then you can repeat it, this procedure, as you needed it. If you doing it more crystal designs and then had more details on like this, you can definitely do that. And then then that way the clients will have completely a beautiful crystal without having it catching on their clothes or their hair. So cure this for 60 seconds completely, full cure. And then on this one, so now I'm going to close this end because this is a dual end. You can use it for the brush. And also in this sub box this month, in order to celebrate of our 4th year's anniversaries, and we're going to go back to where it starts 4 years ago when we have this and save 1,000 of designs for the clients. I give them really happy. And we are sold out in every single shows we go. We got an opportunity to meet you all in person. And it is 4th year's anniversary. So we'll make sure that each of you will have one bottle of this. You will never have too much of Precision glue gel. So I'm using on the other end, which is the Precision brush. I'm going to brush it on the top of the metal frame, not on the top of crystal. You can see that I'm going around. The reason that I'm using this end because I have a lot of metal frames, so I need more Precision glue gels. And in order for doing a bigger like is a frame, so I don't have to using a Precision needles there. So we are going to make sure that this sub box this month in March sub box, aka anniversary sub box, is included one of a really cute lifesaver, a Precision glue gel for you. So if your first time come to Glitz and check us out, welcome, and we'll make sure that you get is the Precision glue gel. And also each of the box has is one crystal jar. It takes us right back to where Glitz start to want to make sure and share with you that is the crystal placement method. So then it keep so many crystal for years and support a lot of nail tech successful from you are just graduate. Like a lot of you will graduate from like 4 years ago, and now you're in 4 years at 4 years of experience. So amazed, and thank you so much for having Glitz, along with your journey. So I'm gonna seal whatever I missed, which is around the cuticle area here, and I'm gonna using on the edges right here. I'm check. It's really scratchy there. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit in, not much, but little go a long way. Yes, so a lot of you was like 4 years now when we first met, and now you probably is 4 years in the experience now, and it's so amazing. And watching a lot of you and sharing beautiful passion with us, it just makes us so proud. And then a lot of you from like no skill doing any crystal placement to now is like massive. Like I said, massive, a master of it. Like, wow, it's just a masterpiece. Thank you so much for having Glitz, and it's congratulations. What happened if in next 10 years? Well, like next 10 years, you'll be like next 10 years, you're seeing all of you are doing and teaching all the students and helping all other nail techs is new out there. It's so amazing. All right, so I'm gonna seal the same thing. And then cure for 60 seconds. Well, all right, just freaking sub box bring me back into the first start when we travel with a lot of states and see so many of your beautiful faces. So we're still going to the show as well. We are going to be at ABS in April, which is in like really like a month and a half, because today's the 28th, and then is the shows on the 9th of April to 11. So Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we're just waiting for the finals from the shows. So that's why then you're gonna start seeing our posts. So stay tuned with our update posts, so then we can see you in person. Look at this. So this one, it looks like lonely with no crystal, but guess what happened? I have ombre and